What's going on, guys? I'm out here today photographing, laying down this ground out here. It's really foggy, that's why it's not blowing out light. What you're seeing in the background is fog. It is super foggy out here today, and yeah, so I probably won't get anything good today, but you know, I want something pretty artistic looking, something different. So I was like, you know what, let me try to get some. You know, I really admire a lot of the photographers I see out there that live up north, you know, with the snow and stuff, where they photograph like a bird or something, and all you see is white. It almost looks like it's blown out backgrounds, but no, it's not. It's what it is. It's snow, you know. So I kind of feel that fog is similar to that. And I'm down here in South Texas, Corpus Christi. That's the closest I'm gonna get to snow. It snowed twice in my whole life in 33 years, so yeah. But let me actually give you guys a look of what actually I'm looking at, because all you're seeing is white, almost like from like a white backdrop. That's what's behind me. Let me see if I can. Using my ground pod. Yep, that I posted in a previous video of me making. Works great. Okay, guys, so this is what I'm looking towards. Oh, look, some seagulls. I think that's seagulls. All right, guys, let's see. Oh, the ducks are back. The ducks are back. You see the ducks out there, guys? All right, guys, I swear this is the same day. Same hat, wearing the same thing, but I took off that big old camouflage hoodie. It was muddy and wet. I put on a windbreaker. Got my camera. The wildlife preserve, I mean, everything here is wild, but it is a wildlife preserve. Where I was at down earlier, taking photos with the fog. Now you can see that blue ass sky. Fog's gone, nice blue sky. I decided to walk the trails, see what I could find. Man, I saw some big old deer earlier run past me, but I couldn't get a shot. Then 3 people said they saw a bobcat today, which I photographed one here before. I just actually put that in the very last video. But so I did just get some really good male northern cardinal shots. Beautiful bird, and I got some good shots of it eating. So those will be inserted either here or at the end of the video, but I'll probably put them here. Well, guys, that's it for me this morning. I seen some little small birds. I have to figure out the species. I got some good shots of some cardinals. Just saw a coral snake. I got a little phone video footage on my phone, and some footage on my camera. I dropped to the ground, tried to get photos of the snake, which I did, but one of them, the body, the head had already started entering the grass. And then the other photo I had with the head, well, of course, I missed focus. It's a tiny little snake. And, you know, I don't know. I can make all excuses. I mean, it was the camera in a sense, but yeah, I just missed focus on its head, which sucks. But anyway, I'm going to include that in the video anyway, because still cool as shit to see it. I mean, they're more venomous than a rattlesnake. They're super venomous. But, oh, and I didn't bother the snake any.